Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arifia Larsati Putri. Now I'd like to present the presentation about the interaction of code switching and EFL teachers' perception on their teacher identity development. For the first one, we came to the introduction. This research study attempts to investigate pre-service English language teachers' perceptions of code switching and how these perceptions affect their teacher identity development. The justification of the research relies on the assumption that these two distinct topics, foreign language teachers' perceptions of CS and their identity development, are closely associated with teachers' classroom practice, and the former one has an effect on the latter one. Teacher identity shows how teachers perceive themselves as professionals, as well as affecting their professional success. Teacher identity also has a big influence on their feelings as teachers in classroom and school environment. Larsat, 2013. Code switching is changing between language in the same discourse in bilingual or multilingual environments. It is a concept that is handled in bilingual or multilingual settings, and foreign language classrooms are among these bilingual or multilingual settings. Next, we come to the literature review. The first one is teachers' identity development. Clark points out that these beliefs may change because of the teacher education program. This assumption is based on his study, in which he revealed that the beliefs of student teachers in the United Arab Emirates about reading were impacted by their past learning experiences. However, these beliefs were changed after the training received in teacher education program. The second one, the perceptions toward code switching or L1 use in EFL classrooms. In Makaro's 2001 study, it was a student teacher's own language learning experience that influenced her perceptions toward code switching. The same factor is found in the La Campa and Nasaji 2009, who examined teachers' perceptions toward L1 used in foreign language classroom. Then we come to the findings. There are three that we find in the research. They are the effect of past experiences, perceptions toward code switching, and identity development. The first one is the effect of past experiences. The codes that fall under this category are classroom as the only place to practice English, language choice by teacher in EFL classrooms, and oral use of English in the classroom. All interviewees pointed out that the classroom was the only place to practice English when they were EFL students. The second one is perceptions towards code switching. The codes analyzed under this theme are the reasons of code switching in participants' opinions and their feeling toward it. They are reason slip of the tongue, reason emphasize a point, reason lack of proficiency, reason making students understand, feeling neutrality, and feeling relief. The third one is identity development. The last theme was identity development, and the codes categorized under this theme were the effect of professors and who an English teacher is, self-perception as a pre-service English teacher, and language choice in student teachers' classrooms. Then we come to the discussion. There are three participants in this research. They are student M, student N, and student E. For the first one is student M. M holds negative perceptions toward code switching and FL classrooms. He attributed code switching to the negative reasons such as slip of the tongue, lack of proficiency, and lack of faculty. The second one is student E. Relating to the first question of this research, unlike M, E holds positive perceptions toward code switching in EFL classrooms, pointing out the feeling of relief and beneficial aspects of code switching to avoid incomprehensibility. His positive perception is in line with the study by Makaro. The third one is student N. While N states overtly that she is neutral toward code switching in EFL classrooms, the feeling of not being proficient in English while code switching shows some negativity towards it. While talking about language choice in her classrooms, when she becomes an English teacher, she expresses that English language use is the most important aspect. So we come to the conclusion. This study aimed to explore the perceptions of pre-service English teachers about code switching in EFL classrooms and the effect of these perceptions on their teacher identity development. Based on these aims, data were collected from three pre-service EFL teachers through semi-structured interviews and graphic elicitation. Tasks were analyzed and code which provided three main themes: the effect of past experiences, perceptions toward code switching, and identity development. So that's all about my presentation. Thank you for watching.